everyone, welcome back to Dynamite. Today I'm going to show you how to create simple PDFs from Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It is super easy, and by the end of this video, you will be a PDF exporting pro. Let's dive in. Here we have three files: a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, and a PowerPoint presentation. Our goal is to convert each of these into a PDF. Let's start with the Word. First, open your document. Once it's open, go to top left corner here in the Files tab. Then click it. Here you will see the option Export. And here, select Create PDF/XPS document. Now you have to choose where to save your PDF. Publish. And this is your first PDF document. Congratulations, you have created your first PDF document. As you can see, the PDF that is created has the headings as bookmarks, and we have converted all of the pages into a normal PDF that you can share with your colleagues. Next up, open your spreadsheet. And here, just like before, click on the Files tab, go to Export, and create PDF/XPS document. It will ask you where you want to save it. So I want to save in the same folder where my spreadsheet is located. So I will click on Publish button. It will generate it and it will open it, right? It is super easy. Let's move to the PowerPoint then. Here, as you can see, I have a PowerPoint presentation. I will open it. So this time I will show you a shortcut how to export directly to a PDF. So what you have to do is press these three keys, Alt, F and E. So Alt, F, E, it takes you directly to the export page. Here again, press on PDF/XPS create button, and it will take you to the File Explorer saving page. Here you have to select a folder and you have to click on Publish. That's it. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, we have turned a Word document, an Excel sheet, and a PowerPoint presentation into PDFs. Super simple, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Dynamite. Let me know in the comments what tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.